This is my bike check. Starting off with the bars, we got S&M Hoders right here. They're pretty nice. They don't bend or anything. Then we go on with Colt Vans grips with animal bar ends, and then connected to an Odyssey Elementary V3 stem. Stolen Vortex cap with the Stolen Vortex forks, and then an Odyssey headset. And then a Fit Bikeco FAF 2.25 tire on a Alienation rim stock. Moving down on the bike, the frame, Premium Inception, with whatever kind of fucking bottom bracket is on there. Stolen chain wheel sprocket with Shadow Conspiracy chain, that's pretty loose. And then stolen mob cranks with some Premium Slim PC pedals. And then my seat was an animal seat, animal push seat, with some shitty seat posts. And then that is all laced to Fit Bikeco 2.2 FAF with an amber wheel and some Colt pegs.